Good day to you all. Today, let's discuss one of the most vital yet often overlooked aspects of our lives: sleep. Sleep is the natural process that recharges our bodies and minds. On average, a healthy adult requires 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per day. While we sleep, several critical functions take place within us. Memory consolidation. The brain processes and stores everything we learned during the day. Body repair. This is the peak time for cell growth and tissue repair. Immunity. Sleep strengthens the body's ability to fight off diseases. Lack of sleep can lead to serious issues like stress, high blood pressure, and memory decline. Remember, sleep isn't wasting time. It's an investment in a successful and productive tomorrow. Common reasons for lack of sleep: stress and anxiety, work pressure, personal problems, or overthinking the future keeps the brain in a high alert state, making it impossible for the body to relax. Electronic device usage. Using phones, computers, or TVs before bed is a major culprit. The blue light emitted by these screens hinders the production of melatonin, the hormone responsible for sleep. Irregular sleep patterns. Not having a fixed time to sleep or wake up confuses your body's internal biological clock. Long daytime. Naps can also ruin your night's rest. Use of stimulants. Consuming tea, coffee, caffeine, or cigarettes in the evening stimulates the nervous system. Since caffeine stays in your system for hours, it directly delays sleep. Poor sleeping environment. Bright lights, loud noises, uncomfortable temperatures, or an unsupportive mattress, pillow can all act as barriers to deep sleep. How to prepare for deep, restful sleep. 1. Stick to a consistent schedule. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day to regulate your internal clock. Unplug from electronics. Power down your devices at least 30 to 60 minutes before bed to allow your sleep hormones to kick in. Relax your mind. Engage in calming activities like reading a book, listening to soothing music, or practicing light meditation and breathing exercises. Optimize your environment. Ensure your room is dark, quiet, and cool. Use curtains or an eye mask if necessary. Watch your intake. Avoid heavy meals and caffeine before bed. Instead, try a glass of warm water or a caffeine-free herbal tea to relax your body. A step-by-step guide to falling asleep. Fast follow this simple relaxation technique tonight. Set the mood. Dim the lights or darken the room. Lie flat on your back on your bed. Use a relatively thin pillow for better alignment. Positioning. Place your arms straight and relaxed by your sides. Keep your legs in a comfortable, natural position. Phase 1. Breathing. Counts 1 to 10. Inhale and exhale. Naturally. Count 1 in your mind after the first breath, 2 after the second, and so on until you reach 10.4. Phase 2. Breathing. Counts 11 to 20. Now inhale deeply, hold your breath for 3 to 4 seconds, and then exhale. Count this cycle from 11 up to 20.5. Phase 3. Breathing. Counts 21 to 30. Repeat the natural inhalation and exhalation process while counting from 21 to 30.6. Mindful observation. Now stay still and simply listen to the sounds around you, the distant noise of the environment, or even the ticking of a clock in the room. Try this for a few days, and you will see incredible results. Sweet dreams.